The reason your fake tan is patchy is because you're probably applying it all wrong. I used to hate fake tan, and I think it was because I was just using the wrong fake tan and I wasn't using the right technique. I've gone from hating fake tan to like literally doing it every week. I'm going to teach you exactly how I do my fake tan routine that keeps it super natural. People will be literally wondering if that's your real skin tone. I remember the first time I showed my boyfriend my real skin and he was literally like, what? If that's not evidence on how good this tanning routine is, then I don't know what to say. Even when I cannot be asked, this tan routine literally comes out beautiful every single time, and it only takes about 10 minutes to do. There's just something about self-tan for me that when I apply it, I feel like a different woman. In my opinion, self-tanning is way better than sitting in the sun and just shriveling your skin. So I do this routine on a Sunday and then it sets me up for my week and I feel amazing all week. First things first, you need to prep your skin so it's so smooth and so beautiful, ready for your self-tan application. That is one of the biggest things that I can say that people skip out on, and it's so important. Whether you have leftover fake tan on your skin or not, you need to exfoliate your skin. I'm gonna pop in the shower now and I'm gonna do my exfoliation routine. This doesn't have to cost you any extra money. All you need is one of these gloves. I've had this for like 5 years and it's from Primark. They're so inexpensive. I think you can get them on Amazon. I will link them down below. Kind of goes through me a little bit. It's going to get rid of all your dead skin cells because of all the texture that's on the glove. I apply it to my hand like this when I'm in the shower and then just scrub. I have really sensitive skin, so you have to be quite gentle. If you need to do a couple of layers instead of going really hard on your skin, then do it. If you've got leftover tan on your body, a huge hack is to use coconut oil. You don't have to use this Palmer's one. You can use cooking coconut oil if you'd prefer. Like, it's so cheap. Don't bother with any of those self-tan strippers. That on your skin when you're in the shower with this will get rid of your tan. That is literally what's in every self-tan stripper. Right, the light is going crazy. The sun is going in and out. Also, a huge note, if you haven't shaved yet, like your legs and your armpits, do it now before you apply your fake tan. It's better to do it before than it is to do it after, because you're just going to scrape all the fake tan off. You don't want that. So this is only going to take me 2 minutes, so I will be back. Now we are ready to tan. There is a bit of confusion whether you should moisturize or not moisturize before you fake tan. I think do not moisturize. I feel as though if you moisturize before you fake tan, then you're not going to get the full absorption. I would recommend to apply your tan on completely dry skin. I have tried so many fake tans and lots of them are just too orange, too green. This one is the perfect color if you want a neutral looking tan. I got introduced to this brand last year. This is Effin Tan. I actually have a discount code for this, so I will pop my discount code down below for you. This is the best tan on the market in my opinion. The color, in fact, it's no fragrance, it's completely streak free and transfer proof. My sensitive skin doesn't feel like super itchy after. These are my two favorites. This one is just their regular tanning foam, which is the one I'll be using today. This is in ultra dark, and then this one here is their express version. It's a new tan that they've come out with. You will not believe that I had to just run down with no pants on to my living room to get the battery charger for this camera. I know it's my house, but like the fear is still there, you know. Anyway, back to the video. This is the express version of this one. It basically is the exact same. It just only needs about an hour for it to develop. If you've got a last minute event on, you know, like shit, I have not fake tanned, then this is your girl. It instantly has a color grade on you when you put it on. This one, it does have a tiny tint to it, but it develops into a tan, whereas this one is the OG. She is trusty for a long wearing fake tan. If you have the time, then definitely always use this one because it will last so much longer. There's a myth when it comes to fake tan colors, like people don't know which shade to go for. The paler that you are, the darker the fake tan needs to be. People are scared to get the ultra dark one for some reason, but I have no fear when it comes to fake tan. Like, the darker the better for me because I know it's going to last longer. Because I'm so pale, I need the darkest tan going, so ultra dark is perfect. Always give your tanner a bit of a shake before you start to really activate that foam. I like to apply with a mitt always. This is from Effin as well, the same company as this. The softer it is, the more even your tan is going to be. You want to apply 1 or 2 pumps onto your hand at any one time. Start in the center, and we're going to kind of miss out this neck portion and just go straight to my shoulders. Even that tan out as much as possible. You want to keep your hand moving at all times. No harsh lines, so if you get it on your neck like that, just be really gentle, just tap around it. You want to miss out your neck portion. Don't worry, we'll be doing that in a bit. Another shake, and then I'm going to go in with some more. This is like running out. I'm now going to do my arm. Go from my shoulders all the way down. When it comes to your wrist, you want to be really gentle around that area. The majority of the tan needs to come from your shoulders. I always think that that's like the place you hit the sun the most. Don't forget around here as well. Make sure there's like a gradient going down to your wrist. Just buffing it in. Even when it's dry, just go over another layer. Now I'm going to move on to the other side. Shoulder first and then working down. Colour already, like look how stunning that is. Miss out your hands because we'll be doing that in a bit. Angles that we get at when we're fake tanning is hilarious. If my boyfriend could see how I fake tan, he would actually cry. I'm going to do the same for my legs. Missing out my feet. I'm going to ask my boyfriend to do my back later, but you can use a back applicator. Use it like a towel, so you go back and forth like that. Look how stunning the tan looks, like no streaks at all. Now we need to do hands, neck, face and feet. These are like the problem areas. I got some information from that tanning brand owner. She actually messaged me and gave me some amazing tips, so I'm going to be sharing that with you. This is the tanning water version of the mousse spray. It makes it just super easy to evenly distribute around your body. Get the brush. This is the Effin, same brand, Kabuki brush, but you can use a old makeup brush if you want. This is just so big on fluffies. Spray your tanning water, and you're going to go into your neck area. It is the best. Do not forget behind your ears. That tanning water onto the brush. To my hands. Mousses can be quite difficult when it comes to like hands and feet because I don't know, I think they're quite heavy duty, whereas this is more lightweight. No control over my left hand. This is really hard. Never use the mousse on my face. Just it's impossible to do makeup on moussey face. Almost like dries out your skin. That's why I love this. I know it's a bit extra getting a mousse and a tanning water. This will last you so long. Apply that on the brush, buffing it into my face, making sure I get right into like the hairline. Got eczema on my mouth and it doesn't cling or anything. It's so nice. Don't smell like a digestive biscuit after. I'm going to leave my body to marinate overnight and I'll be back with you in the morning. Hey girlies, it's the next morning and I washed my tan off with lukewarm water. If you are using body wash in the shower, please refrain from using fragrance in your body wash. That will make the colour go a bit green. This is what my body looks like. It's super natural. Literally looks like I've been in the sun. These are my top tips on maintaining your tan so it lasts 7+ days and it fades evenly on your skin. When I came out the shower, I used my favourite rich moisturiser, which is the Nivea body lotion. The thing is about self-tan, unfortunately it dries your skin out, so you need to have a really thick moisturiser. This is the queen of thick moisturisers and it's so affordable. It gives almost like this like glow that you can see on my skin. I moisturise daily with this because this also helps the tan stay for longer. I notice a huge difference if I don't moisturise. When you moisturise, your tan fades so much more evenly than if you don't. Trust me, I have trialed and tested this. On day 5 or 6, I always use a gradual tan just to top up what I have going on. You don't have to do this if you're happy with the colour fading. It's the same brand, Gradual Tan. I find that my tan just kind of gets a bit of a boost, a bit of a top up, and it'll last me a couple more days. I don't know about you, but I love a hot bath, but what I would say is that will fade your tan quicker. So if you've got a special event coming up and you need your tan to stay longer, refrain from having too hot of baths, and I would say showers as well. Try not to go too hot in your showers. Also, when you're spraying your perfume on yourself, make sure you spray it onto your clothes and not on your skin because it can change the colour of your tan as well. Although I've got my routine down to a T, I'd love to know if you have any other tips when it comes to fake tanning. Is there any products that you absolutely love using? I want to know. I feel a little bit too like formal in some of my videos, so this is a really nice fun video for me to film. My next video is 10 beauty maintenance tips that will make you look like a natural beauty. Really good one because because I talk through all of my beauty maintenance that I do daily, monthly and weekly to maintain my confidence and to make me feel 100%. If you want more positive beauty videos on your feed, then hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you in my next video. I upload every Sunday. I love reading your comments, so comment down below if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.